Welcome to Manga Art School and welcome to the course. I'm really excited to see how far we can take your level of manga style drawing. And I definitely think that if you follow everything in this course closely, you'll easily and quickly grasp the fundamentals to achieving a believable and an appealing manga style. You've probably seen many examples of work that really just doesn't look like authentic manga or anime. And a lot of the reason for that is really that those artists are not understanding the proportional rules and the stylistic rules of manga styled drawings. Manga and anime do not have just one set style, but rather they have a few fundamental rules that they follow to achieve a particular look. At its core, this course is really about learning those elements that define the manga style. And I'm going to teach them to you in a logical, clear, and coherent way that you can remember them and implement them very quickly. If there's one thing I absolutely want to avoid in this course is you drawing work that looks like a poor copy of manga style rather than an authentic manga style. So in that same vein, let me encourage you to really learn a lot of the proportional work off by heart so that you can quickly and easily build out your own manga stylization. This course is taught as if you're in class with me. And as you move through the course, let me encourage you to watch the course in its entirety first and then go through it again and do the assignments. And the reason I ask you to do this really is quite simple. When you have a macro view of all the theory, it's much easier on the second time through to go in and do the work in a logical and coherent way. Really what we're doing is we're stacking theories and we're building stylistic and proportional rules on top of one another. Having the big picture view will help you to learn to draw manga and anime style much faster. So while it may seem a bit of a chore to go through the course twice, it's actually going to make you faster in the long run. So definitely do that. I am absolutely thrilled to have you in this course. I'm really excited to see you creating manga style and anime style works that look authentic, that do not look like weird mimics or fake versions of anime or manga, that look like real anime and manga, real authenticity. If you want a taste of all the theory being used, feel free to go to the demos module at the end of the course, and there you'll be able to see demos being done from start to finish, along with some commentary time-lapse videos as well. All right, that's the end of the introduction. Let's get straight to the work. I'll see you in the next lesson.